Hello dears, and welcome back to the channel Benidorm by Anna. Today there's a huge deal happening on Benidorm's Levante Beach, so let's go and explore it. Some places in Benidorm town are basically empty, only one or two people around us, which is kind of unusual for Benidorm town. However, other places are slightly more vibrant. There's more people on the terraces enjoying their coffee. And then there is a third place, which is absolutely full today. We are on the Levante Beach here in Benidorm Costa Blanca in Spain, and we can see a lot of people heading towards the end of the Levante Beach. There's a lot of movement and a lot of colors on the sand right now. We can hear the sounds of music, we can hear a DJ, we can hear a program team member saying and telling all the necessary instructions. And this is all because today in Benidorm, in the morning, there will be a heartbreak swimming competition. This is already a fifth edition here in Benidorm town, and here a couple of hundreds of participants are already on the beach, on the sand, all almost ready to go. This event also brought a lot of curious people on the beach this early Sunday morning in Benidorm, and we are one of them as well. Here at the end, right next to the tourism information office, you can see that there is a big group gathered. There is no trespassing with the cars. There's even a police motorcycle alerting and saying that there's no passing from here onwards, and giving necessary instructions to all people who would want to pass either with a bicycle or with a motorcycle or with a car on where to go. There are some loudspeakers here bringing out all the music, and the contestants are taking the last specific chips that they need to put on them and a waterproof marker with the number. Almost everything is ready to go. There's a DJ here controlling all the music, all the sound system for today. And slowly but surely, people start to arrive to the beach. In about 10 minutes time is when there's going to be a spectacular start of this swimming competition. After which, around at 11 in the morning, you will be able to see a lot of people in the area in the Heartbreak cafeteria. Heartbreak cafeteria will be the one slash bar will be the one who will hold the after party of this swimming competition with a lot of drinks, snacks, and some nice atmosphere. So all the contestants, all the participants will be able to head out there. We came to the beachfront already to make sure we will be there when the spectacular entry into the sea will be held. There are some places, some stands there that they even have some entire watermelons right there. Probably they brought some fruit for the hydration because it's still quite hot in here. It's 30 degrees at 9 in the morning, so you can imagine. And after swimming so much, to put back all the energy, all the electrolytes, everything, fresh fruit is the best snack to recover. Let's see, we can see already here quite a lot of people, and they're preparing right now. They're giving all the necessary instructions on where to swim, what each contestant needs to have for the safety reasons, which kind of swimming suits or like bathing suits they need to have on them, because there's a specific dress code for these type of competitions. They're explaining where to go, and they will swim around the whole entire Levante Beach and all the way back as well. Passing through the platform, the aqua park platform, situated in the middle of the Levante Beach, which is where you can actually purchase some tickets. I think it was 14 euros per person, and if you want some non-slippery shoes like water shoes, you need to pay 2 euros extra, and it gives you time for 1 hour on the platform. If you want more time, then obviously it will be slightly more expensive. However, 1 hour is kind of enough to enjoy it. more and more people of all ages gather here. There's doctors, there are lawyers, there are police officers here, there's firefighters. There's simply people who love to swim and who practice it as a usual sport for them. So there's a lot of different professions, a lot of different types of people with different tastes, different characteristics are here on the beach to enjoy. Almost everything is ready to go, and we will head down towards the start area to show you the spectacular beginning of this competition. Let's go. Cleaning the finish and start line right now. They're putting the official line and everyone needs to go back. So right now we can already see how many people are here as contestants, as participants, and we are heading closer to the water because from here is where we'll be able to see as all these people and have the best views of the start. Last seconds here of checking out if everyone have their chips, everyone have their numbers, everyone are registered, have everything ready to go, all the necessary equipment, because that's just a couple of things that they need to have with them, and the special music to lighten up the atmosphere, to get themselves together and prepare for the almost half marathon here on the Levante Beach, but just swimming instead of running. Everything is absolutely prepared, and we are starting today's heartbreak competition. At least a couple of hundreds of people are here. First ones were very eager, very willing to dive into the sea. You can see how many different colors there are right now. It's spectacular. Others, on contrary, have decided to take it slow, not be in such a big rush and go slowly into the sea. But others who are the most competitive ones already dived in and are getting quite far away here right next to the old town of Benidorm. Amazing atmosphere today on Sunday, early morning, and you can see the huge mass of floating things, colorful floatables. You can see a huge mass of people out here. There is a big control, that's true. There are a lot of people inside of the water with kayaks, with some specific boats, checking it out, making sure that they stay on track, making sure there's not going to be any kind of jet ski passing by. As you can see, these couple of boats, some kayaks at the end, and in the center and at the end of the Levante Beach, a lot of people are out here. Many of the people who are on the beach today and are swimming here, enjoying, are the family members of those who are taking part into the competition. You can see the line right there. They're all swimming in a line. It's such a clean, straight line. Look at this. That's incredible. You can see them right there in front of the Benidorm's island. That's absolutely incredible. And from both sides, they're being accompanied so that they would be as safe as possible during this competition, which is really, really much appreciated. And all the rest of people are enjoying here in the sea, waiting for their family members, friends and relatives, couples to come back from the swim, and even bringing some zoom in glasses in order to see where they actually might be. The end of the Levante Beach is also one of the busiest places here in Levante Beach to come. So all the front line is, as usually, surprise, surprise, fully booked by the sunbeds, chairs, and umbrellas. But still, it's an amazing place to be. And this is how the Levante Beach Promenade is looking right now. On the left, we have the brand new Barceló Benidorm Beach place. They even have the logo and the letters already. They are making the last touches on the outside and making sure that the inside is looking incredible as well. This is gonna be an amazing adults-oriented hotel on the Levante Beach in Benidorm town with frontline views towards the sea. If you love exploring Benidorm town and you would love to have some lovely walks, the most recommended time would be either early in the morning, which is more or less like today, starting from 7, 8 in the morning up until mostly 11, or then in the evening after 6, 6:30, maybe even 7 p.m. This is when you're able to find some shade. This is when it's not as hot outside any longer and you can refresh yourself easier. So these are the times, if you come right now in July and August, when they are recommended to explore. Midday is the worst time to go out. Here we have Nabab Cafeteria and our loveliest Cafe Rico with great breakfast. This is what's happening today on the Levante Beach in Benidorm town, Costa Blanca and Spain. And there's a lot of nice events like this out here. If you want to know slightly more, you can check our latest news update where we share with you which kind of events will be happening shortly here in Benidorm town. Or if not, you can always ask the tourist information, the hotel staff, which will gladly help you out. And obviously we also had to get some nice swim before we head back home from this loveliest, most favorite, most popular beach in Benidorm. Thank you for accompanying us today on this short video. Wish you an amazing day and enjoy your holidays if you're going on ones shortly. We'll see you in a new video. Bye, dears.